To set up roles using a Discord bot, start by accessing your server and navigating to the app directory. Search for the bot and click on it to add it to your server. You will then be asked to select the server you want to add the bot to and authorize its permissions. Once the bot is added, create a role that you want to assign to new members by going to your server settings and selecting the Roles option. Click on Create Role and name it, then customize it as needed. After creating the role, go back to your server and find the bot in the member list. Right-click on the bot and select Profile. Then click on the website link. Log in with your Discord account and select your server to access the dashboard. Scroll down to the Moderation section and click on the Roles option. Select the role you created earlier and click Save. The bot will now automatically assign this role to new members who join your server.